Welcome back. This is the train channel. We got a freight train coming. We don't know if it's very short or very long. Nope, it's a very short freight train. Let's check it out. All right, on to the next video. I think, yep, on to the next video. Roll it. Welcome back. This is the train channel. We got a very short freight train coming. Let's check it out. With the Alco 75 unit. Yeah, we got a Petman's Tray service over there on my right, huh? No, this is very short. I already had a very short grain hopper train. Now it's very short on freight now. It's like a stop right here, of course. Yep, we have a stop. I know we couldn't see it over the Petman truck. All right, that's going to be it. We'll be back on with the next train. Talk to you later.